integrally welded by high-quality, high-strength steel plates. It features an innovative wedge-type cylinder base, laying a solid foundation for long-term stable operations. Together with high-end components and custom-made tooling, it can control the parallelism of key components within 0.02 mm. In this way, machining accuracy will reach perfection. That is, each bend is accurate enough. The system performs well in both rigidity and impact resistance, thanks to its thickened rectangular steel beam and dual rail design, so that it can always work at fast speed and precision, even under high-intensity tasks. In the latest Dutch DA53 TEX control system, operators will fulfill complex bending tasks easily, take accurate control through 6-axis linkage optional, and built-in deflection compensation. The system can automatically correct precision deviations caused by workpiece length variations, ensuring flawless results. The intuitive 2D graphical programming software allows green hands to get started quickly. The software also has content-rich database. In this way, repetitive setup time may be minimized. German Rexroth hydraulic system is designed as modular, for stable, flexible running. Closely integrated with CNC control and measuring systems, it will allow for precision closed-loop control. This professional safety device detects anyone who enters the work area. Then, RAM stops instantly, to avoid accident work injuries. This is one of the most reliable personal safety protections at present. It creates a comprehensive safety protection system. Based on this, you will feel more at ease during work.